Okay, people, you know where we are. That's right. Right here, it's parking lot H. And that's the elevator that I first filmed in 2020. And then that one's up on the 4th floor. So that's it. Let's go ride them. And then the other elevator is over there. So here these Fujitec's elevators are with innovation security fixtures. Anyways, here we go. Oh, that don't work. 5. Alright, 5th floor. Right down the ground. Get a cavity. Up the ceiling. Hi. Here's your picture window. There's your pictures. Here's your phone. Fujitec, 3,500 pounds. Elevator number 3. Send that one up. Alright. There goes that one. Okay. Try and get this one. Try to get all these 3 in one video. And here it is. Five. These were installed in 2009. See if it shakes. Whoa. Alright. 5. Ceiling. High. Get a cat view going down. Whoa. There's your phone indicator. And your phone. This is elevator number 2. This is also 3,500 pounds. There it goes. And that's it. Okay, guys. Pretty sure you guys remember the other elevator. That's right. Here at parking lot H. At El Camino College. I'm sorry, at El Camino College in Torrance, California. That's right. It's right there. And we're ready to see how it's doing after I first filmed this back in fall semester 2021 also. And with that being said, here we go. Alright. Go to 5. Alright, she is running beautiful. Alright, go back down to the ground. motor sounds amazing on this one. I'll give one more ride and watch the numbers. Door close button works. I like that. Say Fujitec also. And this is elevator number 1. Nice sunny day. Back down the ground. Take a look at the cab. I love the picture window though. It's a little dirty though. Oops. There's innovation security fixtures. Here's your floor indicator. 3,500 pounds. And here's your phone. Installed in 2009 also. GAL interlock. There it goes, and that's it.